Many thanks again for your company. I'm just going to kick-start this one off with a big eye brush and just some clean water all over the paper. Then I'm going in with a bit of raw sienna, a little bit of cad yellow. Push down there, down into the middle. Clean the brush. And I'm getting a bit of alizarin crimson, a bit of ultramarine blue. Crimson. A bit more blue, crimson, just keep reloading the brush as necessary. Leave that a bit, oops, didn't mean to do that. I was going to say, leave that a bit lighter on that side, just to get some variation, and just brush this across, fill in these gaps. More blue, crimson. I did picked up just a touch of cadmium there, but that's all right. Just hit and miss, dab, dab, dab. These like clouds up in the sky. Bit of reflection down in the water area. And they've got some distant trees, so let's take a bit more crimson and blue. Might go with, see what these look like. These are I've done that too strong. I wanted to do that a little bit lighter than that. Don't matter. So if I can get this one a little bit lighter. See that one just a little bit lighter, because I've done it the same colour as the sky, it just looks a little bit further away. I'll just do a few and I'll just try and get some variation on the different tones, see what this one looks like. And this is just done sort of Bob Ross style, just chisel edge and then just pop the trunk in first and then just use the corner of the brush and they get bigger and bigger down the bottom. Right, obviously this is water, so I'm going to need some reflections and I forgot all about it. Pop the reflections down as I'm doing them. That one was a little bit bluer. I should have done this at the same time, so now I've got to try and mix the colours the same. It's easy if you just do it at the same time. Not so worry, it ain't too difficult. I haven't used that many colours, so I can. It's not hard trying to mix the same. This is pretty dry over this side. That was a little bit longer, that wasn't it? A little bit longer. That'll do. Just soak up some of that water at the bottom that gathers at the bottom of the paper. Right, let's just pull this tight so it's flat against the easel. And I need some distant land on there. So there's the land, something like that. Right, I want like a big something on this side, and for that I want to make sure that's dry so I get a better contrast. And they're all the same colours. I'm just going to introduce a little bit of burnt umber in there as well, just to get it really dark. It's all the same colours, but I want quite a dark mix. to start somewhere like that, and then that's just going up there like that. Thicker. And so it goes there. So once you've got the main trunk in, then switch to the little brush to put in some of the smaller branches. More water, more paint, a little bit on this side. And just a whole mass of twigs and things growing out of these. Right, back to quite a dry brush next. I want to put in some land. Let's just see what that looks like first. I'm going to go a bit of yellow, get a bit of contrast down there. Bit of grey up there, bit of blue, really darken that bit. Flicking up these grassy bits there, down some reflections. And we've got some. I'm brushing this in quite dark because then I'm going to get the. I'm getting the card out. I'm just going to pop a few little stones. Need a few reflections of the stones down there. And then if you think you've overdone it, paint over a few of them. Quite keen on that one. Use that one there. Just flick up a few little grasses there, here and there. Don't get too balmy with it. Just wondering whether to just put a few branches on. I might just leave it as it is actually. I'll leave it as it is. What I might do on the other side, in a very, very faint actually, just need to give it a quick dry. Put a little man, but I want him on the far shoreline, but I'm going to have to do him quite a light tone so that it blends with the rest of it, matches the rest of it. So I don't want anything. Let's see what this looks like. So if I just pop in. Let's do him a little bit bigger. Just I've done the dog slightly darker. with that slightly lighter, just by dabbing it with a bit of tissue. There we just go. A little bit of something there. Little birds up there, and then finally I'm just going to stick my name. Yes, I'll put my name. I'll just stick my name down there. Right, let's see what that looks like with our names on. This is our little painting in the main, so let's have a closer look at it. As usual, started with the sky. Got a nice sort of yellowy, well, cad yellow, raw sienna glow there in the middle. That's reflected down into the water below. And then we got alizarin crimson, ultramarine, nice sort of purpley coloured sky over there. Again, brushed down into the water area. Then use the same colours to do these trees. Just using the corner of the height brush. Pop your trunk in and then just make them same way how Bob Ross used to do them if you used to watch Bob Ross doing all these trees. Reflected below. Then we've got a little bit of land there across. Our two little man and his dog there. A couple of little shadows off the two of them. So with those distant trees in, this one it had to stand out more, so I had to make sure it was dry, put it in using darker tones. You can see the difference between the two. And then use the chisel edged height just to put in the main skeleton of it, and then the rigger brush just to brush in all the little twigs and branches. Just flicked it with the height brush to put these shoreline grasses in, then scraped in a few rocks here and there. Don't forget the reflections underneath, and then just use the card to also do all these grasses here amongst these rocks. And then our little birds complete the scene. Well, I hope you enjoy that. That's it for this one. And remember, you can join me over on Patreon if you want to watch more videos. You'll see the links in the descriptions. This has all the paintings are available for sale in my eBay shop. Again, links below. So until next time, thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.